This is a 2008 Cadillac CTS. It has a 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a moonroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, fog lamps, OnStar, steering wheel controls, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Cadillac qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Quantrill Automotive Group is located at 1490 East New Circle Road in Lexington. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll become a Quantrill customer for life.